Good evening, passionpreneurs. Thank you for connecting with me on the Passionpreneur Mastermind Group 6. I am Animesh Gupta, born in Allahabad, brought up in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, Gorakhpur. Studied my schooling was in Kanpur and Gorakhpur, and then I did my chemical engineering from MIT Manipal. Did my MBA in marketing and finance, a gold medalist from there, from CSJM University at Kanpur. I completed my sustainability MBA from IIM Bangalore very recently. I am a certified black belt of Six Sigma also. Had been there in the industry for almost 30 years now. Started working with a few Indian big business houses as well as US and British MNCs. Name a few of them. It was RPCL, Nerolac Paints, Castrol India, LML Limited, Bhushan Power and Steel, Indorama Synthetics, and few more. So, and I had been working on my initially the technical departments, which is basically production, then production planning and control in the petrochemical field at RPCL Castrol. And beyond that, I had been a techno-commercial person and had been part of the leadership team with LML and beyond that, which is starting from 1998 till date. I had been in few leadership positions with the companies. Recently, say for last 11-12 years, I had been a turnaround specialist and had been working only on the distressed assets, starting from Bhushan Power and Steel way back in 2011 when I joined them as their GM commercial for the corporate. I consolidated them. So I have fairly a good idea about the ERPs. I have in fact implemented the first ERP for the country in Castrol, India, way back in 96-97. So process and process streamlining is my forte for the manufacturing industry. After turning around my first industry, which was Bhushan Power and Steel for almost 1.5 years, I have moved on to Action Group, where I was there for a short stay. Moved to New York on my black belt Six Sigma projects. Worked there on contract with few projects, earned name, and was hired by Gulf Petrochem, a Dubai-based group company, as their president for the country India. Came back to India and led the team, grew them substantially. It was a greenfield steel project also, which I initiated. Few other projects which included a school, high-end international school in Delhi, in Noida in fact. Then I was part of a turnaround of Indorama Synthetics, which is basically one of the largest polyester manufacturing in techno-commercial field in Nagpur. 2.5 years I worked there, turned it around successfully. I was selected on board with the Edelweiss Financials, the ARC group, and had been nominated as a director for a turnaround of a 540 megawatt thermal power plant in Jharkhand near Jamshedpur, which I had successfully turned around in last 2 years and have moved on. In Corona period, I am working from home and working on few of my trading wings, which is in iron ore, as well as I keep on advising the business community, mid as well as large business owners on the turnaround. So I take assignments of distressed assets. I am supported by a few of my earlier colleagues. Wherever I require the competency of them, I take their help. Few big four associates, partners are in my team who keep on helping me on personal note with their teams and with their competencies. That's a brief about me. I had been looking forward for such a program which Dev had started very recently, which is say 3-4 years ago, and good I have come across. And I normally want to grow my passion, although I have to still funnel down my skill sets and to understand what skill can give me a career too at this age of 52 years. But still I believe I can do lot of things in turning around the commercial aspects of the distressed assets. That is one thing which I would like to do. I had been working on the renewable projects also for few business houses, although not yet concluded anything, so I may not be able to say anything about it. I had also been working with a few scientists in Harvard. I am associated still with a few of them, stayed in Boston. I was there for 4 months to develop a renewable energy project of my own, something of my own innovation on hydrogen. Is still in the pipeline. It takes a lot of effort, which I am trying to do. But let's see how it takes up. Working on one of my passion is to be a little networked and great help for the social or the society. So I am working on a Gaushala with the Ayodhya Nagar Nigam also. That's a brief about me. Came here to get identified for my passion, my skill sets which are my passion, and then to lead the rest of my life following and practicing my passion. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dev, for giving me this opportunity to speak. Normally I had been talking in forums where others had been recording, so this is one of my few own recordings, and as guided today on 12th of September after the first session of the PPMM batch 6. I will keep on recording lot of things, keep up my sleeve. Probably even I see myself as big as you, or maybe a little bigger than what you have grown in the industry. Thank you so much. Thank you.